Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Wristwatch Wednesday. Just a quick one today. We are going to change a battery in our 2009 Timex Weekender. There's been a couple videos on this watch. You can look back through the video listing here of Wristwatch Wednesday playlist and find it if you're more interested in this. Let's go ahead and get to it. Let's get the band released first. And that's just a NATO band, which we covered in a previous video. We've got our watch tools out already. So what we need to do is find an area to pry this back off. This is a snapback that's on these watches, and there's a little arrow right here. And we're going to go ahead and take that band the rest of the way out. And we're going to see if we can get under right there and just pry up without scratching. There we go. And if you're interested in what some of these tools are, I'll put a link in the description. I did a video on that also. If I can remember, I'll put a card up in this. And these use a 2016 battery, CR 2016. So the positive side's always up. So we go ahead and take this out. We grab our new battery and we put it in. And then we line our... There's little alignment marks on these Timexes. Some of them not. But we're going to go ahead and just line it up with a 12 o'clock here. About the same place it was before. I think it was actually a little bit crooked before. And then we're just going to press it down to give it a solid fit. Now if we have trouble and we feel like we're going to maybe ruin the crystal or something, we'll get our watch press out. Let me get that out real quick and I'll show you. Okay, here's our watch press side angle view. So basically what all this does is it pushes your back on, and it has these recessed, I don't know, I'll call them dies, whatever you want to call them, that you can set your watch in, so it gives the crystal some room so you can't crush it. So it's got all kinds of these different sizes, but we're going to go ahead and use that to press this back on. I'm not going to have a real good view of it, but you'll be able to see me put this in and get it lined up. You line up your back, and then you just grab the top and you press it to get your case to snap into place. Sorry, that probably went blurry on you. Okay, there we go. And that's how you press it back into place. As we can see, we're still running, we're ticking, and that's a real quick battery change on a Timex Weekender. You don't need that watch press. To get that done, if you fiddle around and press hard enough, you usually get it. But it does prevent you from possibly breaking something in the process. If you want to be safe, you've got a watch that you really care about, you may want to invest in that. It's only about 20 bucks, so not a bad investment. But that's all we have for today, guys. Thanks for watching. As usual, macro shots on the wrist of the watch, and we'll see you next time.